Good morning children. Welcome in online teaching. Today we will continue the lesson 7 which is multiples and factors. In multiples and factors today we will see prime number and composite number. What is prime number? A number that has exactly two factors is called prime number. It is called prime number. Suppose example we will take 2. If we will find the prime factor of 2, we can write that 1 into 2 is 2 1 2, or you can write 2 1 2 or 1 2 2. So what is the prime factor of 2? It is 1 and 2. So only 2 factor we are getting. So which number is having exactly 2 factor? It is called the prime number. Similarly 3 also, we can write the prime factor 1 and 3, 5, 1 and 5. Similarly 7, 1 and 7. Okay. So like this 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the prime numbers. Now what is composite number? A number that has more than 2 factors is called composite number. Here for example we will take 4. If we will take the prime factor of 4, we will get 1, 2 and 4. Here it is more than 2 factors. 3 factors are the 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers are there which is factor of 4. So it is called the composite number. Similarly we will take 6. 6 will come in 1 table, 2 table, 3 table and 6 table. Here more than 2 it is. So it is also a composite number. So 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10. These are the composite number. Understood children? Now we will find out the 1 to 50, how many prime numbers are there and how many composite numbers are there. Let us find out the prime or composite number between 1 to 50. Children, one thing you will know, 1 is neither prime nor composite. So first we will cross 1. Okay. Here, first cross out 1 here. Now cross out all the multiples of 2 except 2. Means which number will come in 2 table, we will cross that number except 2. Leave it 2. 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 3 6, 2 4 8, 2 5 10, 2 6 12, 2 7 14, 2 8 16, 2 9 18, 2 10 20. After that we will cross out multiple of 3. That means which number will come in tables 3, we will cross out except 3. 3 1 3, 3 2 6. It is already crossed. 3 3 9. 3 4 12. 3 5 15. 3 6 18. 3 7 21. 3 8 24. 3 9 27. 3 10 30. Okay. Now next we will cross out all the multiples of 5 except 5. We will leave 5 and what will come next? 5 1 5, 5 2 10. It is already crossed. 5 3 15, 5 4 20, 5 5 25, 5 6 30, 5 7 35, 5 8 40, 5 9 45, 5 10 50. Next, cross out all the multiples of 7 except 7. We will leave 7 and which is multiple of 7 we will cross out. 7 2 14, 7 3 21, it is already crossed. 7 4 28, 7 5 35, already crossed. 7 6 42, 7 7 49, 7 8 56 will come. We will write here 51, 52, 53, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 7 7 49, 7 8 56, 7 9 63. 63, then 7 9 63, 7 10 70. Okay. Now here up to 7. So which number we will not cross? We will circle it. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Okay, so like this, if we will see within 1 to 20, we are seeing 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. These are the prime factor. Okay, and which number we have crossed, that is 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18 and 20. These are the composite number. If we will go further, we will see these, that 23 is also a prime number, 22 is a composite number, 23 is a prime number, 26 is also composite number, 29 is prime number. Understood? So 1 to 30 like this we will do. It is given in your book. You can see this book. It is your page number 65. You will see clearly that which number is crossed out, it is composite number, and which is in the circle, it is the prime number. Understood? So just we will see 1 to 50 some numbers we have seen that which is prime number, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19, and this number we have crossed, it is composite number. Understood? 1 to 20 we have seen. Similarly you can see up to 100 also. It is given in the book. Now let us start our exercise 7.5. Now in exercise 5, choose the correct answer. Number 1, which of the following is not a prime number? Which of the following is not a prime number? Already I told that which number is having more than 2 factor, it is composite number. So here 21, 19, 37 and 101 is given. So look here, 19 is prime number because it is having only 2 factor, 1 and 19. 37 is also a prime number because it is also having only 2 factor, 1 and 37. Here 101 is also a prime number. Question is, what is question which is not a prime number? That means 21. When we will find out the factor of 21, 1 will come, 3 will come, 7 will come and 21 will come. Here more than 2 factor it is, so it is not a prime number, it is composite number. So our answer is A. It is our answer. Number 1, 21 is a correct answer. Okay, it was B, it was C and it was D. So 21 is a correct answer, which is asking that not a prime number. Understood? Now number 2, it is the number of prime numbers between 31 and 50. 31 and 50, how many prime numbers are there? If we will write the 31 to 50, 31 to 50, if you will write the numbers, which is even number, just like 32, 34, 36, 38, it is divisible by 2, so it will not a prime number, it is composite number. So if we will write the number of prime numbers, we will see that 31, 33 is also not, 37, 39 no, 41, then 43 and 47. After 31 we will take, na? So 37, 41, 43 and 47. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many prime numbers are there? 4. So your correct answer is D. D is your correct answer. Understood? Now next see question number 3. Now next is question number 3. The number of composite number from 75 to 92. Composite number. Children, here you will see in page 65, 72 to 90, 75 to 92. After 75, look here. After 75, 76, then 77, 78, then 80, 81, 82, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, then 90, then 91. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then 92 is also, and here 75 also you will take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So our correct answer is 15, which is your option number B. It is your option number B. So you will put the correct option number B. It is the composite number between 75 to 92. Understood? Next question is question number 4. In question number 4, how many factors does 32 have? We have to find out the factors of 32. Factors of 32. How many? So first we will see 32. We will write the factor 1 into 32. Next is 32 is when you will divide it by 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 6 is 2 1 is 2. 2 6 is 12. So 16. 2 into 16. It is also a factor of 32 and 2 is also a factor of 32. Next is 3. It is not divisible by 3. So 4 we can take. 4 8 is 32 and 8 4 is 32. And next is 5 is not, 6 is not, 7 no, 8 4 is 32. So how many factors are there? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is your correct answer. It is your question number 5. So correct answer is 6, which is B. We left the number 4. Here we will write the number 4. Number 4 is the first multiple of 13 is 13 1 is 13. So our first multiple is 13, which is your correct answer C. Understood? Here question number 1, 2, 3, here 4 and here we are writing 5. Clear? Our next question is question number 6. In question number 6, which of the following is not an even number? Number is given, that is 10, 24, 102 and 3. Here it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 2. But 3 is not divisible by 2 and this number is a odd number. So correct answer is 3, which is your option number D. So you will put the correct answer number D. Understood? Next is number 7. Which of the following is a multiple of 6? That means which number will come in table of 6? What is given here? 4, 2, 12 and 20. 4, 2, 12 and 20. This 12 will come in 6 table. 6 to the 12. So 12 is the correct answer, which is your option number C. Understood? Next is number 8. 4 is not a factor of. In option 22, 32, 20 and 108. 4 is not a factor of. That means it is not divisible by 4. If we will divide this number by 4, 4 5 is 20. We are getting 2 remainder. When we will divide it this, 4 8 is 32. It is divisible. 4 5 is 20. It is also divisible. And when you will divide this number, 4 2 is 8, 4 7 is 28. Here we are seeing that 0 remainder in all these 3, but here we are getting the remainder. So 22 is not divisible by 4. That means 22 is not a factor of 4. So your correct answer is A. You will put tick mark in A. Understood? So our MCQ is over. Now next question is encircle the prime number. This is your question number 2. 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 23, 25 and 27. Which are the prime number? So 11 is prime number, 13 is prime number, 15 is not a prime number, 17 is prime number, 19, then 23. Understood? So these are the prime numbers. Next question is 1, it is A, Now next is B. Which is number B. That is 1, 13, 53, 88, 89 and 99. So here which is the prime number? 1 is neither prime nor composite. 13 will come, next 53, then here 89. These are the prime numbers. Next is our question number 3, that is your fill-ups. In fill-ups, dash is neither composite nor prime number. I told you it is 1. 1 is neither prime and nor composite. Number B is dash is the smallest composite number. Smallest composite number, that is 4, because 2 is prime number. Okay, next is 3 is also prime number. 4 is composite number because it is having more than 2 factor. Its factor is 1, 2 and 4. More than 2 factor, so it is composite number. Number C is dash is the least prime number. So least prime number is 2 because after 1 next number will come 2 and 2 is the least prime number. Understood? Number D. That is number D. Dash and dash are the prime number whose difference is 1. If we will we will see 1, 2, 3. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2 and 3 is prime number. So we will subtract 3 minus 2. We will get 1. So your answer is 2 and 3. Understood? Now number E. Every prime number except 2 is odd. Every prime number except 2 is odd, means 2 is even number and other all the number 3, 5, 7 these are the odd number. Only 2, when you will leave 2 all the numbers are odd number. Only 2 is not a odd number. Understood? Next is F. It is your each prime number has exactly 2 factors. Each prime number has exactly 2 factors. In the definition already we have seen prime number is having only 2 factors. That's why it is called the prime number. Understood? So our fill-up is over. Next is question number 4. Write all the prime numbers between 1 and 100. So children, for this answer you can see this column. It is given in the page number 65. This table you will see and write the correct answer. Here prime number between 1 and 100. Between 1 to 100. So what is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. These are the prime numbers between the 1 to 100. Now answer number 5. In answer number 5, write all the composite number between 50 to 60. So 50 to 60, all even number you can write which are having all even number, or some odd number is also there which are having more than 2 factor. It is called the composite number. So 51, 52, 54, 55, 56, 56, then 57 and 58. Understood? Up to 60, these are the composite number. Now next question is question number 6. Find the 2 prime numbers whose difference is 3. Whose difference is 3. Prime number we have to find out. First prime number is 2, then 3, then 5, then 7. Here you will choose any 2 number whose difference is 2. If we will subtract this number, we will get the difference 1. So it is not. So if we will take 5 and 3, 5 minus 3 we will do, then we will get 2. So we are getting here difference 2 prime numbers whose difference is 3 is asking now. So it is not also. So if we will take 7 and 5, 7 minus 5 we will get 2. What is asking in the question, we will get the difference 3. So if we will take 5 and 2, 5 and 2, 5 minus 2 we will get 3. So we are getting here 3. Which number we are taking? 5 and 2. So two composite numbers are 2 and 5. Okay, but how it is? 5 minus 2, that is 3, which is asking in the question. That means prime number whose difference is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. So it is the answer. So we have completed our 7.5. Next class we will start common factors and common multiples. Thank you.